Hello there. We are here again in our complete series. In our previous video, which you'll be seeing somewhere around here, I made an introductory class on my best pick, on the bank accounts that you can foreign bank account that you can use to receive funds from any country in the world. You understand? So, and then we said, or I said rather, we were going to have it in a series, series form where it comes in series. So this is the day two of the series, but the day one or the day two of day one, yeah, day two of day one of the first class where I'll be teaching you how to get the first account. Now, so if you want to know the accounts, you understand, you would check the link in the description, or you would see it. There is a link that is showing up right now, so you can just click it and then watch the previous video. So without wasting our time, let's move to the video. Now, from that our list, the first one was PayPal. You understand? So this is it. Now you create to create a PayPal account is very easy. I'll be leaving the link in the description for you, and then we will be creating a PayPal form from the country, which is United Arab Emirates, which is Arabic. You understand? United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. Now, why I said we should use United Arab Emirates, because it has a lot of what you call benefits to use the United Arab Emirates, which is where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Qatar, which is Qatar. You understand? So that is what we will be using for this video. Now, so once you come to this interface from the link that I will show you, you come for sign up. It will be in a business account, of course. You come for sign up and then you click business. You see, now once you click business, you continue. I will be as slow as possible for this so that you would get it very well. Now once you continue, your first name, my details are already here, but this is not the email I want to use. This is not the email I want to use. Now the email I will be using will be affiliates marketing premium affiliate marketing premium at gmail.com. Yeah, so this is the account, the detail I'll be using, for, and then this, continue, agree. Now let's see. After you get past this interface, okay, start activating my account. I think they would send you, okay, fill up the basic business, which best describe. Now you pick business. Once you pick business, your legal business name, I'll choose Java TV Entertainment. Country code. Now this is where most people get it wrong. They feel, because it is okay, let's see, business type, is not a is let's see, private corporation. Let's use a private corporation. Your date of birth, day, so you put your date of birth. Okay, your date of birth, nationality, you're a Nigerian, not a Qatari. You understand? You're a Nigerian. Now this is where most people get it when they feel, because you are opening a, what do you call it, bank account from Qatar. They feel it's you must use Qatar. No, but there is a place where you would have to use the Qatar. Actually, that is, we would get to that point. So your phone number, let me get the phone number I want to use, because I have a PayPal account already. You understand? But I just want to be able to create another PayPal account, that I won't be using, just for the sake of this video. Okay, so that is 091. Okay, so this is it. Now this is the place where it gets tricky. Now you don't use your Nigerian, what do you call it now, your Nigerian address here. This is where it gets tricky. You don't use your Nigerian address because they will need a poster, a like, PO box, and then they will need to verify some of these things. So you don't need that. So what you need is, you come here and then you search as address cities in UAE. Dubai. Okay, let's see Dubai and addresses. List of cities in United Arab Emirates. So let's see these. Abu Dhabi. Let's use Abu Dhabi. Um, Abu Dhabi. You can just say 12 Abu Dhabi. You can still say the same thing, 12 Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi. Is that the one? Okay, yes. Dhabi Dhabi. And then next. You understand? Now you are not using your Nigerian what do you call it there? You are using their own there. And what is your business registration number? Now this business registration number, you can use your NIN in this part. You understand? Now you cannot use your what do you call it? You cannot use your voter's card. No, it's your national identification number, NIN. So let's use our NIN here. 3652. Yeah, dollar. What do you sell and what is your services? Okay, this did not work. So as at the one I created earlier, it wasn't for Abu Dhabi, but we can this is 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you can just put in, because they really don't check this. What they really check is your address. You understand? So you can just put that one. They can just check that one at any time. So this, and then what do you do? Electrical compartments. So do you have a business website? You can say yes or no if you want. Now here, this is the place. Now you don't put that Abu Dhabi, for the business contact. You can still put your Nigerian account here. Where is Nigeria? Nigeria. Yep, Nigeria, and then your phone number again. I hope you guys are understanding actually. Whatever you don't understand, please and please leave it in the comment section and I will answer you. Leave it in the comment section and I will answer you. use my residential address, and then next. Business website, okay, we'll leave it as no because I don't want to start using my business website for this account right now. You understand? So let's see. Complete the customer dependent process by to avoid PayPal account service. Place of incorporation. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? United Arab Emirates. Summits. United Arab Emirates, and tell us about your income. It's complete in 2023. Yes, I have I have no owners who are entitled to its income or assets when creation scientific. Okay, you can just choose yes here, and temple open now. This is just a certificate for them to to understand that yes, it is you and yours alone. Congratulations, you're all set. Now this is how to create an account. You understand? Now I will be creating another video on how to fund your account. Like I said, sorry, not really fund, to link your bank account and the rest to it. You understand? So congratulations, you are all set, and then everything should be working all fine. But that is not all, for creating an account. Now you would need to link your bank account, which I've already created how you can get a virtual card, because you must need a virtual card for you to be able to link your bank account. Now how to create a virtual account card will be showing somewhere up around here. You understand? It should be showing somewhere around here right now. You know how to create a virtual account, a virtual card. You understand? So once you do this, the rest is just to verify your email. You understand? And then you tell them to send the link which they sent to your account, and then where you receive your email, you just verify it, and that is it. You understand? So this is it for this particular account. You understand? But you must need a virtual account, a virtual card, for you to be able to link your bank account here. I hope you understand. So this is it. Now the virtual card, creating a virtual card is very easy. I have already created a video. There is a video on that, so you can check. It's already showing up here right now. You understand? So you create a virtual card for that, and then you use a virtual card to link it. I'll be showing you that if you don't understand how to do it, you can just watch the video on how to create a virtual card first. You understand? After you must have created your virtual card for an account, then I will make a video on how you can link your bank account to this particular account. So please and please, if you gained value for this video, do like, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon, because we still have like 5 more accounts to create. Thank you, and thank you. Until then, do have a blessed day, and let everything work for you and work in your favor. Thank you.